download this repository. So we run the pipeline converter and get the drawings, shadows, geometry, and all the data about every element, family and type properties. And we have all the data as a matrix. Let's take our pipeline and clearly specify what we need to group all the data in order to get the tile volume table. We download it as a JSON file. And the JSON is converted into nodes, and now all it's left for us is to simply run this pipeline. This is an example of how ChatGPT, DeepSeek or Claude can create a ready-made pipeline dashboard in minutes, which can be applied to any number of future projects in any CAD format. In this video, you will learn how to automate CAD-BIM data processing using n8n, a powerful free platform for automating tasks. Now you can easily create automated workflows using ChatGPT, Claude or DeepSeek where no programming is required. Just describe what you need and you will get your process in easy to understand format quickly and for free. To start working with pipelines, we go to GitHub data-driven construction, and in account we go to repository related to pipelines and download this repository to our computer. So this way we get a copy of all the n8n pipelines and examples what are in the repository. Let's extract it on our computer. So now go to the folder with examples, and now what's all left is launch live pipelines. According to the instructions, we need to open the console, open the terminal and run npx. This is package management for Node.js, which runs on our local computer through localhost. So I now click link localhost, and so all we have to do is copy our example from the file we downloaded to n8n. So let's specify the address of our first pipeline. So to start pipeline, we need to assign the address of a converter component to a variable so that it can be easily referenced later in our code and used correctly during the conversion. So by the converter address, we remove the quotation marks here, and we also need to specify the address of the file itself, what we want to open and convert. So let's copy the path and assign it to variable file path, and remove the values in these variables. This way we get the geometry data and data frame of all the project's data. So we run the pipeline converter and get the drawings, shadows, geometry, and all the data about every element in the project as a data frame. So let's open the data frame and the geometry of elements. The geometry of elements in color format. Each element has its own native ID, which you can also find in a data frame in a table. And we can see that this element has properties. We have obtained all the properties of family and type properties. So we obtained the project data frame matrix, which is one of the most popular data formats for analytics and tools such as ChatGPT, because of the simplicity of grouping, filtering, and processing of data frames. So now let's use LLM, ChatGPT or Claude. So to create a new pipeline for a grouping use case, let's take our pipeline and clearly specify what we need to group all the data in the vol category, and then group data by type name and summarize volume parameter in order to get the tile volume table for all vol groups in our project. And we can describe any data processing task in LLM, from calculation documents and graphs to ready-made validation dashboards. ChatGPT wrote a JSON pipeline for us, which we just need to download. As an example, let's also write a pipeline in our popular LLM, Claude. So in Claude or ChatGPT or DeepSeek or Grok, we almost write a ready-made JSON file for us, which we just need to open in n8n. The Claude wrote the code and we downloaded it as a JSON file. So we go to n8n and carefully delete the old pipeline we used and then upload the pipeline what was created in Claude or ChatGPT, and the JSON is converted into nodes, and now all it's left for us is to simply run this pipeline. And of course, before showing documents, graphs, and tables, you can add a couple of nodes to check the data before loading it into a finished document. Written from an LLM Cloud or ChatGPT pipeline first performs a conversion translating closed and multi-format data in structured format. Widget rank groups and filters with nodes to finally load the grouping results into our new document as 𝗬𝗪 table. And let's open the table that Claude created. Now we can work with the output and change the visual design, format or logic of our new dashboard. This is an example of how ChatGPT, DeepSeek or Claude can create a ready-made pipeline dashboard in minutes, which can be applied to any number of future projects in any CAD format. You can download ready-made pipelines and templates for n8n and use them in prompts for ChatGPT, Claude or any other AI assistant directly from our GitHub. Most business processes in construction begin with setting requirements for data, what needs to be checked at each stage of data processing. Now, the free and powerful n8n platform will help you fully automate and visualize your process, freeing you from routine tasks and the headaches associated with using a large number of diverse and complex tools. Unlock your data and gain complete control. Automate your processes while keeping your data truly yours.